for a husband who will always take over the steering wheel when the wife is like nervosing. There you. Hello everybody, RC Tandem once again. Wanna greet you a happy day, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time it is that you're gonna watch this video. Yeah, welcome to our YouTube channel, and thank you for all our subscribers who follow us and who watch our video and comment to our video. God bless you guys. Keep watching. RC Tandem loves you. Stay safe wherever you are. God bless. Good morning, RC Tandem here in the delivery location. So we arrived here around 7 a.m. Montreal time, and because their gate is still locked, we park in the street where it's safe. It's a very quiet place, guys. It's only 7 o'clock here, and I think the office is still closed. I went there and it's still closed, so I'm just gonna wait till they come and knock us. By the way, guys, we're in Washington. Yeah, Washington delivery. So I guess last night we passed by Seattle. We passed by some areas that we've never been. This is our first trip going to Washington with my husband. My husband came here before with another team, and it's my first time, guys. Yeah, it's my first time. It's a little bit exciting for me, especially those places that we've been. Those beautiful mountains, lakes, rivers that we passed. Oh my goodness, it's a breathtaking, and really I'm enjoying my life as a trucker this time. Just I don't think I will experience this by just working outside trucking company, because of course traveling and going different places will cost a lot of money. That's why I thank God for the opportunity that we could visit, not only me and my husband, but we could bring our children with us because it's vacation time. So those are the perks of being a trucker, earning while vacationing and visiting different places. Okay, so we're gonna update you what's gonna be our next route after this. We have 2 deliveries. Actually, last night, guys, we switched our trailer to someone else. The same company. We switched trailer because we need to deliver today, and we already have 2 days reset in Edmonton. So we switched the trailer to deliver today, because the delivery that we picked up in Alberta, it's gonna be delivered only Wednesday. So now we're Monday, so we're not gonna be late over for another 2 days here in US. And thank God for those arrangements of our new management. Yes, so that's the update, and we're gonna bring you guys again into different places today. Alright, so just keep watching, and thank you for subscribing, guys. Thank you for following us on our YouTube channel and even our Facebook. Yeah, bye, see you later. So yan po, nanggising tayo ng asawa nating kapartner natin na natulog lang ng 2 oras. Yeah, he just slept for 2 hours, and I have to wake him up because the entrance of this delivery is very narrow. As you can see, I'll show you. So I thought I could do it. I tried, but he woke up and said I'll do it. So thanks God for a husband who will always take over the steering wheel when the wife is like nervosing. There you go, you see, that's the entrance. You go. Yep, so we're here in Washington, our second delivery of this first trip with Estate Company. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. As you could see, the friends over there are already waiting to unload us. Yes, this looks like gonna be quick. Ooh, there you go. There you go, straight there. Yes. Wow. Oh, so those are I think it's metal that we're going to deliver, right? It's metal. Because look, around in this company is all metal. Yan. So, my husband just went down to open our trailer so they could start unloading us. Go! Yes, delivery time! And one more after this. And we're heading to our pickup. Guys, let's go downhill! Uphill kanina, and now it's downhill. This is the difference of, I-80s, those highways that has no trees here. It's virgin forest. And it's going down, 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 down. It's so relaxing to drive in here, guys, you see? Because of the trees. Yan, face to face na, guys. Face to face. Look at this. Woohoo! Ulalay. Ulalay, lalay, lalay. Oh. You cannot hear me, just watch. This is Washington. So this is what my husband says before, that it's up, down, downhill. Let's go. I guess we're down. Oh, we're gonna go up again.
Good.